Greetings, Brenau community. I come to you again this week because I miss those of you I haven't had the opportunity to see, and I'm constantly delighted to see those I am able to see. Like one of the Brenau students this morning, I was able to meet at the tea room who had just received and accepted a job offer about which she was very excited. I was so happy to be able to personally congratulate her from a distance. I come to you also to tell you how proud I am of the faculty and staff who worked so hard to put together a celebration of the impact, the inspiration, and the life's work of Martin Luther King and all those involved in the civil rights movement all through February. I urge you to go to the website and see the library guides that were created, the Do-It-Yourself Film Festival, and most recently, the virtual walk from Selma to Washington, D.C. I was delighted to begin that walk on Monday, and I'm excited to see all the milestones along the way through to Washington, D.C. Please join us in that walk, which extends another week, and check out that website, please, for all the other opportunities. It is increasingly important for us to make sure that we are educating ourselves about the contributions of so many, and that's why I'm so excited to see the women of color being highlighted also in our social media and on our website. Please pay attention to those, learn from those, and be inspired by these awesome, awesome women. I can't end without talking to you about the importance of keeping our culture of prevention here at Brenau University. We have come too far to let down our guard. So please wear your mask, watch your distance, wash your hands, and if you haven't gotten that flu shot, it is absolutely clear that that flu shot is working. I am delighted to have this opportunity to share some updates with you, and I'll see you next week, if not before. Thank you.